What's up, guys? I Fix It in Your Face. Don't forget, I have a Facebook that you guys can join if you have questions about anything in the video or anything in regards to anything motorcycle, scooter, fix-it stuff. Join my Facebook. It's an easy way to get in contact with me and get you help you need. Don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, all that good stuff, man. I make these videos for you guys. I don't make them for me. You can help me by dropping a subscription. Join the Facebook. I'm telling you, man, join the Facebook. If you're trying to get in contact with me, it's the easiest way to do it. Okay? Don't forget, everything you need is in the description below of the video. Let's get started. Let's say we take it for a ride. All right, guys, nitrous scooter, getting fuel. You can see the vacuum lines kicking, see it fluctuating. I do not have a NOS canister in there yet. There's no NOS on it. We're gonna take it for its first ride. I got it idling pretty good. I should probably turn the idle up just slightly, but let's take it for a rip. Make sure that it runs good, it's getting proper amount of gas, all the good stuff. There's a lot of police activity out right now, so I really don't want to take too many chances, so we're just gonna kind of cruise on my own road here. Oh yeah, tons of power when you give her the beans. All right, so she's getting excellent fuel delivery. Let's go have some fun here. Oh yeah. Okay, so she gets up to speed no problem. So she's getting plenty of fuel. She doesn't even argue. She just goes. This is gonna be the perfect scooter to test nitrous on. I'm 220 pounds, like, well, 218, but yeah, this thing's running like a top. It's got a great amount of takeoff, very explosive. Oh my gosh. And that's without nitrous. So I did order a little larger carburetor to give it some more fuel, but it seems to be doing great. It's not bogging, no choking, no nothing. This thing's ripping, man. Wow, 30 miles an hour uphill. That's impressive. Normally these little 50s cannot do that. That carburetor I put on there made a huge difference. Stable. Oh my God. Justin, this little thing's a ripper, bro. I think she'll go 45 as it is right now with that larger carb on there. We'll give it a speed test later, but let's make sure it's idling properly. Yep, okay. Came down into a nice idle. Listen to that. Oh, she's running great. Give her any beans, she's ready to go. Okay, put the kickstand down. We're gonna let her run for a bit more because she hasn't run in a while. There you go, running like a top. Next up, nitrous oxide hits. I gotta call Justin. We gotta set up a day to do it. I may test it on the center stand just to make sure it can handle everything before we take it all the way out somewhere, and I don't want to hit the thing and then it blows a line and then we're out, carted it all the way down there and have no tools to fix it. So I may give it a test spray, not running, just sitting there on the center stand. We may give it a test spray and see where we end up. Yeah, it's idling a little low, so I definitely need to turn the idle up just slightly. But outside of that, yeah, it's running great, man. Good zippy little thing. This will be fun.